Alright, we're looking at how to find the distance between 2 points. Okay, the distance between 2 points. Well, first of all, let's plot these points 3, 1 and 6, 5 on our coordinate grid. So along 3, up 1, and then along 6, up 5. So I've got my 2 points there. Now, basically, this is Pythagoras. The distance between 2 points, we calculate it using Pythagoras. So hopefully you know a bit about Pythagoras, and you'll recognize that this line here, I can make this into a right-angled triangle using the lines of the grid. And I can work out the distances on the horizontal there and on the vertical there, so that I've got a right-angled triangle and I can use Pythagoras. Difference between my x-coordinates, from 3 to 6, that's a distance of 3. And from 1 to 5, that's a distance of 4. So now I've got a right-angled triangle, I'm just going to apply Pythagoras. And that means a squared plus b squared equals c squared. In this case, that's 3 squared plus 4 squared equals the length I'm trying to find. Let's call it x. Equals x squared. And so if I do 3 squared plus 4 squared, I could work that out and then square root it. Or if you want to type it in one go on your calculator, we can do that. Well, 3 squared is 9, 4 squared is 16, add them together, it's 25, square root of 25 is 5. And so that distance there is 5. And that is that very famous triangle, the 3, 4, 5 triangle. Okay? So that's all you have to do is plot your points on a coordinate grid, work out the difference in the x-coordinates, work out the difference in the y-coordinates, square them both, add them together, and square root it. Pythagoras. That's all there is to it. Now, if you want to write this as the formula, we can say it's the difference in the x-coordinates, then squared, the difference in the y-coordinates, so the second y-coordinate minus the first y-coordinate, add those together, and square root it. That's the proper way of writing the formula for this. All you need to know is that we're finding a right-angled triangle and then applying Pythagoras. Okay, that is the formula for the distance between 2 points. Right, here's one for you to try. So pause the video now and see how you go. Pause the video, have a go at this one. And here's your answer for this one. So minus 4 and up 6 is there. 3, 4, 3, 4 is there. If I draw a right angled triangle under this one, and you can draw it wherever you want, I've got a 2 there, and I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 there. So I'm going to type in the square root of 2 squared plus 7 squared. The difference in my x-coordinates was 7. Perhaps I should have done it the other way around, 7 squared plus 2 squared. But either way, I get the answer of 7.28 to 3 significant figures. So there we go, distance between 2 points. Use Pythagoras.